that we've been talking about prime and composite numbers. What is a prime number? Can someone tell me what a prime number is using gestures? Right, one number multiplied by another number to give me a product. One number multiplied by itself to give me a product. Okay, I want you to tell your neighbor what a prime number is. Go ahead and turn and talk. Using gestures multiplied by itself to get a product. Switch.
A prime number is one number multiplied by itself to give a product. A prime number is one number multiplied by another number by itself.
Okay, let's bring it back. Okay, composite. Can anyone tell me what a composite number is?
A composite number is two numbers multiplied by two or more factors.
Okay, can someone help me? Can you?
A composite number is two numbers multiplied by another number to give me a product.
Okay, so a composite number is two numbers that are multiplied to give me a product. So that means that I'm going to get more than one number. Okay, so now what we want to do, we're going to look at the number 18. So I want you to count out 18 counts. And what we're going to do is we're going to work together to make an array with one factor. Okay, so how will we make an array with 18 counters? Let's try it on your board. How would you make an array with 18 counters? One array. One with 18 counters. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So this is my one array. So in this case, let's see if we can make another array using just the 18 counters. Does everyone have an 18? Everybody made an 18? The array with 18? Okay, so now what we want to do, let's think about how we can make 18 using different rows to make another array? We can. Let's see. Let's think about the factors of 18. What two numbers can we multiply to get 18?
2 times 9.
2 times 9.
18.
Do we agree that 2 times 9?
Yes, ma'am.
Is 2 times 9 18? Let's see. So let's try. How many rows would we do? 2 rows of 9. Let's try it. 2 rows of 9. 2 rows of 9. You can work with your partner if you need to. 2 rows of 9. 2 rows of 9.
That took up the whole thing.
Okay, does everyone have the 2 rows of 9?
Yes,
Okay, now what I want you to do on your board is to write out that multiplication problem. What would be our multiplication problem? 2 times 9. Yes, go ahead and put the product. What's 2 times 9? 18. So put your product. Okay, so now that we have that array, I want you to think about another way that we can make 18.
1 row of 18.
We did 1 row of 18. We did 2 rows of 9.
3
rows of 6. Okay, let's try 3 rows of 6. 3 rows of 6. 2 rows of 6. 2 rows of 6. So, 3 rows of 6, excuse me. So, 1, 2, 2. So, this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, is that 18? 3 rows of 6. Because 3 times 6 is 18. So we've made 1 row of
8.
we made 1 row of 18. We made 2 rows of 2 rows of 9, and now we just made 3 rows of 6. So is 18 a prime or composite number?
18 is
A composite number. Can anyone explain to me how they know that 18 is a composite number? Robbie? Because it's even. Can anyone add to that? Devin? Can you add to it? You're on the right track.
It's a composite number. It's a composite number because it has more than 2 factors.
Right, it has more than 2 factors. If it was a prime number, it would just be 1 in what? One in itself. But we see that we have more factors to get that same product of 18. Okay, let's look at the number 7. So let's take out 7 counters. 7 counters. Okay, show me what you could use, what array would you use with 7 counters?
1 counter.
Let me see you do it. But you're trying to get the product 7.
1 row of 7.
1 row of 7. Is there any other way that I can write to get 7?
No, ma'am.
No. So that means that 7 is a what?
Prime.
A prime number.
And it's
Okay, let's look. Yes, because a prime number is what? One number and it multiplied by itself. Let's try it again. One number multiplied by itself. Okay, let's look at the number 12. So it's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Get 12 counters. Okay, make sure to move your ovens out of the way so you don't get mixed up.
Yes, ma'am.
12. Okay, so what type of array can we make using the number 12?
One time.
1 times 12, so it will have one row of 12. Okay, everyone, let's make them one row of 12. Everyone has a one row of 12? Okay, what's another way that we can, is there any other ways that we can make 12?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's try it on your board. I want you to try it on your own. Try it on your own, and then you're going to write your multiplication problem on your board.
I knew.
Write your multiplication problem on your board. Can you write your multiplication problem on your board, Jadea?
Yep. I did.
Got it, Jadea? Okay, so I see. Right, Devin. Remember, your rows come first. Your columns. How many columns do you have?
2.
2. So it'll be 2 times 6 because you have 2 rows of 6.
You could have, if you would be 6 times 2, you had to have 6 rows with 2 in it.
6 rows of 2. Okay, so we see that 2 times 6 gives us a product of 12. And Roger has a different one. What did you do, Roger?
I take each counter and make 4 of each row and add it and multiply 3 times 4 equals 4.
So you had 3 rows of 4. So now we've done 1 row of 12, which our multiplication problem was 1 times 12. Then we did 2 times 6, and our product was 12. And Roger did 3 times, and the product was 12. So is 12 a prime or composite number? Composite. Yes, it is.
Because it's a composite because you can multiply numbers to get 12.
Right, you can multiply more. You have more factors other than 1 and what itself.
Yes, ma'am. I know another reason it's composite.
What's another reason it's composite?
Another reason that it is composite because you can say it in your mind, you can do 2 times 6. You know that is 12. You know that is 12. You count by 2 to make sure you can do 1 times 12. You already know that because you can do that in your mind. You can do 3 times 4 by counting by 3s to get. Counting by 3s to get 12.
That's correct. So now we better understand prime and composite numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
So tomorrow we'll work on it a little bit more.